Hello and welcome to my channel Making Crafts. Today I just wanted to hop on and show you my Tim Holtz haul that I got. I ordered these a couple of weeks ago and Joann's was having a sale, and so I picked up a few things online. My local store did not have it. It said online that it wouldn't be in the store, so I just went ahead and ordered it. And it did take a little bit to get here, but I wanted to try, first off I wanted to try these alcohol inks. I haven't tried alcohol inks, but I've been wanting to try them on a gel plate that I have, and I've got a new gel plate that I want to, a larger one, so I wanted to try these on that. So I picked up this set, and I think most everything I got was about 50% off or close to it, so I wanted to try, and this was a good variety of colors, so I got that. And then I also got the what's this one called? I did check it down here, the Tim Holtz worn wallpaper scraps. And so this one is really neat. I did have to open it just so I could feel the feeling of it, and it actually feels like wallpaper. So it's really cool, and it looks like old wallpaper. And so I'm really excited to try this in a journal or in some collages or something. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it in yet, but I thought it was very pretty. And actually, let's just open it. I have not flipped through the pages. I just read, opened it up and felt just to see how it felt. So let me set this aside and let's just look at it for just a second, because I haven't taken a chance to flip through it. I've been waiting to do this on camera. So these are very pretty, and I have seen others using these, and so I really wanted to try them because they are so gorgeous. So there's all kinds of flowers in the kit, and all of this feels like wallpaper. And so a lot of them are the same, but also some different ones. But they're so pretty, and I love the texture. And I don't know if you can see on camera, but like there's a texture on them just like wallpaper would be. And so it's those, and then here's the papers. And so I'll just do a quick flip through of those. And so here's that definitely looks like old wallpaper. It kind of looks like some I've seen in the house before. Here's some beautiful papers. These are just gorgeous. So these are going to be beautiful in a journal. They would also be beautiful on a card. It would add some texture to the card. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? So that, I love that color. It's like a teal turquoise color. Oh, these are beautiful. So I can't wait to use those. And so this good little pack here, I had my eye on it for quite some time, but I just haven't purchased it. So when I saw it on sale, I was like, okay, it's meant to be. I need to get it now. So then the next thing I picked up was this. I already have this book of sayings, but I love it so much that I use them all the time. And so I didn't want to run out, so I just bought myself another pack while it was on sale so that I don't have to be stingy with them. And then this is another ephemera pack. I have several ephemera packs from Tim Holtz. I've got the, this is one I've had for a while and been using. So I have the botanical, and then this is the field notes, and then I also have, what's the other one I have? Let's see here. I took it out of the package. I just have some snippets. It's called snippets, and then, so I love these. These work out great when you're collaging or when you're making little cards or when you're making anything, junk journals, different pockets and different things. These work out great to decorate them. So I love those. And then I picked up several paper packs because I love Tim Holtz paper. And I went ahead and some of these you're going to see that the front of the book has gotten torn, but I tried to cut these before I got on here, so that way you didn't have to watch me go through and cut them. But this is some beautiful paper. This is just the small, all the sheets that he combines them into, what is that, maybe a 2x3, 3x4, I can't remember now. And then here's your bigger ones. And then you've got your, these are just great. I think these are so great for vintage cards, but also for your journals. These are going to be perfect. And I love that. Look at that. It's just, because I actually love collaging, like I've said before, and that's what this looks like. It's just like a bunch of things that have been collaged together. So that's great. That would be great in a sewing journal. So yeah, this is really nice. And in a journal, that'd be great because right there you've got some writing space. So I'll definitely be using these. You'll see these in upcoming videos because and I love the double-sided. The hard thing for me is I love double-sided papers, but then when I go to cut them up and use them, I feel so bad because I don't know which side I want to not be able to see and to lose. And here's another set, and I've owned this set. I bought this set years and years ago, this pack of papers, and I made a mini album with it, and I've always loved them, and I was so stingy with the scraps that was left over. I still have a few scraps, but they're about all gone. So I had to grab another pack of this paper, and I think that it's rare that I will buy more than one pack of paper or buy a repeat pack years later, but this pack is just beautiful, and so you can use it in so many different things, and so I had to get another one. So this is just gorgeous. I'm sure most of you, if you've been crafting for a while, has seen this pack of paper, but for those who haven't, I thought I would just give you a quick flip through of it. And then this I've had my eye on. I didn't even know it existed till a few months ago, and once I saw it, I had my eye on it, but I have just avoided buying it because I know that I can print on vellum myself. But this is the Wildflower Pack that I absolutely love, but in vellum. So it comes with 18 sheets. Let me see if I can open it. It comes with 18 sheets, and I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera. Yes, you can. And see, it's vellum, it's see-through, and it's just beautiful papers. And so these are just gorgeous. And so I had a subscriber ask me about the vellum that I print, and so I was telling her that you can buy this, and so but I had never tried it, so I really wanted to try it and see what it was like. So when I saw it on sale, I had to get it. So if you can tell that it's the same sheets that's in the paper pack, but you get one of each, I think is what it is, and they're all in vellum. So that is beautiful, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm sure I can come up with something. And you even have these little squares like that, so that you could cut apart and use in different things. So I thought that was so pretty. Oops, I don't want to bend it. I thought that was so pretty. That was beautiful paper. And then the last one that I got was called the French Industrial, and I tore the front. It wasn't like that when it came. I was trying to take those stickers off. Those are the hardest things to remove. But this one is another good one for journals and steampunk and vintage look. And so I hadn't saw that because I hadn't even flipped through these till now, till I was with you. These little squares would be great in projects. Wow, look at those papers. Aren't they just beautiful? I love them. I love most anything that Ranger and Tim Holtz puts out. Everything is just so neat. Love that. Just so many different sheets that look, they're just awesome. So I just wanted to hop on and show you my haul and just show you a few things. And in case you hadn't seen any of these paper packs or these different things that I got, then I just wanted to be sure that I showed you and let you see some of them. And so far I've never been disappointed with the quality of any of the stuff that I've got from Tim Holtz. Any of his products, I've always been very pleased with the quality. So that's one thing too. You know, sometimes certain companies you can buy things and you're just, certain things are good and certain things are bad, but not with his. I've always been pleased with all of them. Look at that little mushroom. There is so many neat little things in here. And that's what I love about these, because you get such a variety of pieces and you can use them in so many different projects and different things. And so you've got small ones, and then you've got your larger sheets like this. And these are like old book pages of like a kind of like a field guide. I forget what you call those pages. And so here's like a little book. And I have this in another pack. I'm not sure what pack it was in, but it's smaller. It's a lot smaller. So this is really nice. I do like these. And so these really do come in handy, especially when you don't want to take the time to stop working on the project to cut out butterflies or to cut out these little things. You've got plenty here, and you don't have to print, especially for those too that don't have printers. I know a lot of people ask me sometimes for items that's what the vellum was about. The lady that asked me, she didn't have a way to print it. And so a lot of people don't have a way to color print or to print things. So these ephemera pieces are awesome as well for that. So you don't have to print them out. See if I can get all these back in here. So I just wanted to show you these items and just let you see them just in case you were interested in some. It helps you to see when the packs are open what everything looks like. If you're like me, shopping online, it's hard to tell sometimes what something will look like. And I don't get to go to the stores as often, so being able to see somebody else flip through it is helpful so that you can kind of get an idea of what's in a paper pack or in a kit. And so thank you so much for watching. Let me stop that for a second. Thank you so much for watching. And if you get a moment, be sure to share my videos and be sure to like and subscribe, because it helps me out when you like and you share and when you subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and bye.